That looks wonderful, dear.
Sarcasm?
No? Looks much better. You can't even tell there was a weird little room there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It'd be even better when you get to that ceiling. Working on.
The same thing I've been working on every day, Pinky. Trying to fix up this house. Well, that was brain, wasn't it? I think it was brain. Anyways, let's see.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah. It's up. It's level. It actually closes.
The door looks very nice, dear.
Well, thank you. So, I should have.
I can't see.
Look, there's a wall where they used to be able to see the steps.
Yeah, now it actually. I have to grease it, but I think it looks pretty nice. So
And you're coming along on the ceiling.
yeah.
Old.
Sanded and new.
I don't know if that even shows up on the camera. Oh yeah, you can see that. Yep.
It's getting there.
And that little room is gone.
Yeah, it actually looks, if you stand over by the front door and you
Walk
walk
right in the front door now.
it is nice. You don't see down the stairs or down this unfinished basement. So hopefully by the afternoon I should have drywall up here. And that is it for, well, I do have to fix that before I put crown molding on. So once I get this section done and plastered, then I'll be able to order the crown molding and start putting that up.
But you're going to play with your new backhoe now, right?
Yeah, because they just dumped a whole bunch of that nice slate, that red slate that matches the slate they had here in the living room. So I'll be able to finish the.
It's all gone. A fake fireplace with no fireplace, but
Downstairs.
a pile of wood.
It did have it. Come on, you gotta admit it was funny that there was firewood, and I actually kept it. Remember, it's in the garage. I kept the firewood. I don't know why. It was just probably for fun, but I couldn't get rid of it for some reason because it was just too funny. Well, I laugh every time I see it. Other than that, like I said, once I get this up and the drywall up, because I have to be careful with these floor heat, the radiant heat lines here in this ginormous fiber optic cable. So I have to be real careful on how I screw it into the frame here. And then I should be able to, it's solid. I mean, I probably overkilled it, but.
We don't want the basement door going anywhere.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere. It took me 4 hours. I'm not good. I mean, it took me all morning to get that straight. Well, when you don't hang doors every day, dear, it takes a little longer than normal.
All right, on to the next project. Thanks for watching.